Welcome to Alexander Arms. My name is Amy. I will be showing you 4 things today. 1, how to load your magazine. 2, how to adjust your magazine. 3, how to release your magazine with your standard magazine latch. And 4th, for those in California, how to work your California mag latch. First, we're going to load your magazine. You need to slightly tilt it and rock the magazine to hear it snap. To use your standard mag release, simply just push down on the paddle to release your magazine. To adjust your magazine for better fit, adjust the screw in front of your magazine well. The purpose of this is to take all the rock out of your magazine. For those of you using a bullet button, use the rim of an empty cartridge, slide it into the notch, and push forward. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your Ulfberht 338 Lapua.